Today, I'm going to show you how I built this overhang by myself and all the challenges that came with it. And believe me, there were a few. But first, we're going to jump up on this roof. I'm going to show you how I sealed it for the winter, and I'm going to show you how I sealed off the RV roof for the winter as well. Let's get into it. So we have to move the satellite. This is the membrane. It's just a peel-in stick. Let's jump up here, and then I taped around the skylights, the sewer vent, the bathroom vent. I want to be able to use these to control the heat and stuff in there, and also keep condensation out. You know, these fans are important. Let's jump down and I'll show you what I'm going to get up to now. My mat is soaked, so every time I come in, I'm bringing just more dirt in. Probably about a foot maybe. So probably have to go up about a foot above the door. Let's take a break for a second. I'm going to tell you something. I need some vitamin D. I haven't seen the sun in probably a month. Look at that. Oh. Just feels so good in your face. You can see there, in between measuring that stud and drilling that screw, I spent 25 minutes looking for this drill. I went out and made sure all my solar lights are in the sun and they're clean, and I went over to the chicken coop because I have two there, and I cleaned them off. They're hitting the sun, and I let the chickens out and scraped it up, and I put my drill down over there. I literally walked here for 25 minutes trying to figure that out. All right, so this is what we're going to be using here. What it is. Holy shit. This stuff is crazy sticky. Murphy, we better be careful here. So, back up, and then we come under here, and then we lay it down. So just roll this out. Going crooked. That's great. Yeah. That's not good. Come on, baby. Gonna do is I'm gonna just go like this. Watch. I'll get this straightened out. You're thinking all the wrinkles. I get it. I know what you're thinking. But watch this. Fail. Shit. I don't think I'm coming back from that. Nope. That's garbage. Shit. This stuff's expensive. Damn it. Shit. That really sucks. That burns. This stuff is not cheap. Okay, and there you go. And it won't stick to the wet stuff, of course. Now, I have lots left over this time. Now we're crooked, but we'll be good. There we go. All right, so we're done. Except that has dropped. Huh. gonna get lucky here or what? Oh! You see that? Uh-huh. Okay. See, if I can get up there and get a screw in the back of this, you laugh. I just don't think I can get up there and do that and hold it at the same time. You never know. Anything is possible. Oh. I think it's got to go up more. So my plan is now to take this 2x6 from here down to here to support it. And then I get rid of these supports. Oh, you know what? This is strong. Okay, let's do a test. Let's take this out and see what happens here. Should I leave that support? Or can I get rid of it? I don't know. Let's get the other one up and see what happens. That's not going anywhere. Except I have to nail the top in. I didn't nail the top. Remember, I only nailed a few over there. So now I gotta get up there and nail that in. This will hold. This is perfect, guys. Sure doesn't look pretty, but you know what? I'm gonna be able to come out, grab a little bit of firewood. This area is gonna be dry. That makes me happy. And it's just one more project off the list. Now, we have a big one tomorrow. I have to get diesel heater under this. So, I'm gonna finish this and I'll be right back. This stuff is such a pain. All right, it's gonna be good enough. Well, hello guys, what's going on? And we just checked. Look what we got. We got ourselves an egg. Well, thank you very much. I will enjoy that. Huh? You didn't, I put some stuff out here for you. You didn't get it? Come on, come get it. Huh? You gonna talk to me? Come on. Come on. Okay guys, this definitely isn't about looks. It's about functionality. This whole room is temporary. All right, well, I'm gonna go enjoy my eggs, finish cleaning up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.